Hi guys! Let's make 3 healthy and high-protein breakfast meal prep recipes. A lot of us are going back to uni or school, so life is going to be busy again. So these breakfast meal prep recipes make healthy eating a lot easier since you have a ready breakfast waiting in the fridge when you wake up. Let's start with the breakfast recipe number 1.
The first recipe we're going to make is overnight oats. For 5 servings, you need 2.5 cups of oats, 5 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are a great source of fiber and healthy fats, 2.5 cups of almond milk or milk of choice, and 2.5 cups of low-fat Greek yogurt, which is high in protein. If you also have IBS like me, be sure to use the lactose-free yogurt. And lastly, 2 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then just stir until combined. Then I divide the oats into these containers. Then I often add some extra ingredients to make them in different flavors. For the classic flavor, I just add some peanut butter and berries for topping. For a blueberry pie flavor, I add some pecans and fresh blueberries for topping, and then half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom and some fresh blueberries to the oat mixture to make it taste just like blueberry pie. For the chocolate flavor, I add hazelnuts and strawberries for topping, and then I add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder to the oat mixture for the chocolatey flavor. For strawberry cheesecake flavor, I added walnuts and strawberries for topping, and to the oat mixture, I added 2 tablespoons of lactose-free light cream cheese, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of diced strawberries. And for the 5th and final banana bread flavor, I added some peanut butter and half a sliced banana for topping, and then I mashed the other half of the banana and added it to the oat mixture with some peanut butter. Then let the oats set in the fridge overnight. I like to add the toppings just the night before so that they stay fresh. And here are the ready 5 yummy flavors. The second recipe we're going to make is sheet pan eggs. Start by adding 10 to 12 eggs into a bowl. Then pour them into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then sprinkle some salt and pepper on top. You can of course add some other spices as well if you like. Then add about 1/4 zucchini cut into thin pieces, and 1 diced bell pepper, handful of sliced cherry tomatoes, and some crumbled feta. Then bake it at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. And here are the ready sheet pan eggs. I like to add some fresh basil on top. Then just cut into slices, store in containers in the fridge, and reheat in the mornings. The last recipe we're going to make is sheet pan pancakes. Start by adding 4 eggs into a bowl. Then add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of olive oil or melted coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then just mix until smooth. Next you need 1 cup of all-purpose gluten-free flour mix, 1 cup of protein powder of choice, I use vegan protein powder, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of almond milk or milk of choice. Then just whisk until everything is combined. Then pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then bake it at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. And here are the ready sheet pan pancakes. When they have cooled down, cut them into slices. So soft and yummy. Serve them with some Greek yogurt and berries, for example. And those were the 3 healthy, high-protein breakfast meal prep recipes. Hope you try them out. Enjoy!
In this playlist here, you can find more healthy meal prep recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!